And I understand that besides photography, you really enjoy the 3D or Matterport.
Yes, and let me tell you why. So I think it just today in this market, everything is moving so fast. I think a lot of agents are just putting the 25 pictures up and not taking it an extra step. I think with the Matterport, you're getting the whole layout of the house, and people are able to, even if they're under contract on the property, they're able to later on. I always get this question, can we go back and measure and see if we should order that bed or that couch? So I think it's something, a tool that they can just sit in their house and they can decide if they should, order that piece of furniture. I love the floor plans. I love the way everything is done under an hour. I get into a house with my photographer. He does the photos, he does the Matterport and the floor plans. It's not like the old days where the photography was done and then the pen and paper came out and we were walking room by room, measuring, and he was drawing the layout.
Yeah.
So
very time consuming.
Yes. So I think this is really efficient, and it's just helped, it's helped in my listing presentations.
Would you say the professional photography grabs the attention and make the potential buyers just fall in love with the property, but Matterport itself closes the deal because, like you said, they can just stay home and watch it over and over?
I do think so. I think, maybe a year or two ago when things were really moving quickly, maybe not so much. But I think now that people are taking a little bit more time before they jump into something, they're going to want to see it over and over again. And they're able to do that maybe that night after they see the house. They can take another look. They can really take time and decide if this is something they want to move forward with.
And it's also investment in your own marketing strategy. You introduce the consistency when you meet with new sellers and they would like to know more about what you do and what you offer. You are consistent. And you mentioned that you also include the link of the property website.
Right. So I also, in my marketing presentation, I always do Listing Concierge. And what I like to do, because I think it differentiates us as agents, Coldwell Banker agents in the market, but I also like to include the VHT link with the Matterport and the floor plans, so the seller can see the quality of work and what they're actually getting from me.
Yeah, that's the difference between you and someone else in the market that you are covering.
Yes.
And I think that's what's so fabulous about you, Colleen.
Thank you, Lucy.